Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create and a little bit of how to solve a crossword puzzle using ABC as Make a Crossword Puzzle Junior. So, from the Castleberry ISD website, you are going to go up here to select a school. You're going to select AV Cato Elementary. And then from there, you're going to thumb over this word students. And you'll notice that the very first option is ABC. Yeah, you're going to want to click it. Oops. And then from there, you're going to see all the different grade levels. You're going to want to click grade 2 because we are second graders. Okay, from there, you're just going to scroll down. You're going to see lots of different things under this title letters. Now, the third one over, the third game over, is called Crossword Puzzle Maker Junior. That is what you want to do, so you're going to want to click that. Okay? Now scroll down so you can see that whole screen, and you're going to want to click the green Go. Okay, now you're going to want to name your puzzle. Since we're talking about homophones, you're going to want to name your puzzle Homophones. Okay, and I'll write that on the board also so that you can be reminded of how to spell that in case you forget. So after you've written in your puzzle name, you're going to click the word Next. Step 2 says, how would you like to make the puzzle? Do you want to type it with your keyboard, or do you want to copy and paste the clues from a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word? Now, we are going to want to choose type. So click on type and make sure that it is colored orange like mine is, and that's how you know it's selected. After you've done that, you're going to click the green arrow Next. Now here's where you're going to type your words and clues in for the puzzle. Right here is where you'll type the words, and right here is where you will type the clues. It says to use between 5 and 10 words with the clues. You need to use, for this assignment, you need to use at least 6. Okay, and it needs to be an even number because homophones usually are in pairs. Okay, so I've already typed in some words. I've typed in my homophone words over here, and I've typed in my clues over here. Now, be very detailed with those clues because remember, that's going to help your friends realize which homophone goes with what definition. Okay, so after you've typed in your words and your homophones and your clues, you're going to want to click that next arrow right here. Step 4 says, how do you want to play your puzzle? Do you want to play it on the computer, or do you want to print the puzzle out and play it? We want to play it on the computer. So you're going to click that, and you're going to click the next arrow. Step 5 says, select a custom background for your puzzle. Now, you can either choose no background, or you can choose any of these pretty backgrounds. So just choose whichever background you like, and then click the next green arrow. Okay, from here will be your puzzle for you or your friend to solve. Okay, so you are going to not solve your own puzzle. You are going to switch and solve another friend. So when you're done with your puzzle, please don't begin to solve it. Okay, but I'm going to show you real quickly just a couple of things you need to know for when you do go and solve another friend's puzzle. Okay, so you can either click, if you want to answer the clue for 2 across, you can either click right here, 2, an animal that lives in the forest. Oh, I know that is deer. We've been talking about that this week. So you can do it that way. Or if you don't want to click the clue and you want to click up here in the box, you can do that as well, and it will do the same thing. So 1 down is another word for ocean. Well, I know that's sea. You already have that E there. That's how crossword puzzles work. Okay, so you can either click here or you can click here. It's up to you. Okay, so when you're done solving that crossword puzzle, you can either click New to make a new puzzle, or you can click Exit. Okay, now before you do either of those things, I'm going to give you a little bit more instructions on what I want you to do, but that is pretty much how you make a crossword puzzle using Crossword Puzzle Maker Junior, and a little bit about how you solve that puzzle. Okay, thank you.